Trade Genius.
Hey guys, how's it going? It's Philip with Trade Genius. Okay, so the next idea that I wanted to throw out to you guys was for a trading idea is SALT, the SALT token. And if you're not familiar with SALT, essentially what they've done is they've created a way to do blockchain-backed loans, which means if you own a crypto such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, for example, you can give it to them as collateral, and then they will loan you a certain percentage of that back to you. And the advantages of that is that you don't actually have to sell your crypto, which would create a tax event, but you could actually borrow against it. So there's a lot of advantages to that. And I think this business model, it has a huge upside potential. So that being said, let's take a look at the technical analysis of it. Just looking at the daily chart, guys, this is really bullish because you're starting to see what we call a scallop bottom. So it's this rounded bottom that goes up, and these can really start to take off. The other thing is you'll notice a lot of the volume where this has been accumulated is in this area here, and you can see that we've based nicely out of it, and we're about to break into an area where there's just not a lot of volume in here, and a lot of times you'll see price really make a move up into that areas of low volume profile. So the big area of resistance is this big bear fib zone, which is from the previous high to the low. All right, so that would be in the 8,000 area. But I think you're probably your target right now from this 45,000, I'm sorry, 4,556 Satoshi area in here is probably going to be this first resistance here at 6,360. And you'll probably see some consolidation there before breaking through that. But if you do break through that, then this area up in here is going to be your next target, anywhere in the 8 to 8,500 Satoshi area. So I think it's a decent spot to look at getting into SALT here and seeing these higher numbers. I think this for me here, this volume uptick, you notice how this volume uptick here is just really solid, and that to me speaks volumes. I think this thing's going to pop here, so would be a good opportunity to get into this, position yourself, and over the next few weeks you're probably going to see this thing move up. So I thought I'd run that by you guys. SALT, which is the SALT lending platforms token for facilitating the SALT loans, which are based on smart contracts to manage the loan and also the collateral. So there you have it, guys. That's your trading idea for Wednesday, May 2nd. Hope it helps. Please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.
Trade Genius.